I have three different sky bags. The right sky bag for the right occasion. My smartphone and my Visa card, because I have the idea that if you have a smartphone and a Visa card, you can travel the world with it. So that's what I always have in my bag. Well, I guess my business cards, because I love to connect to people. My Kai bags have been around the world with me. Let's say from New York City to Antwerp, if I run a marathon somewhere, I always take my Kai bags with me. I travel with them on a daily basis. I don't keep them for special occasions. I just have them with me every day. Well, I guess I have a nice idea. I'll show it to you. I think I would want an original, which doesn't exist yet. It's just a suggestion. I would suggest a little umbrella, which is not a good quality, but I would like to have a Kai version of it because it's not round, it's oval, you see? It's really flat and you can take it with you everywhere you go. Doesn't take a lot of space. It's very efficient. And it deserves to be, a Kai version with a nice logo from Kai to spice it all up. And it would be a good item for the organized Sky woman. Cool. Well, of course you need a perfect Kai bag. Just take the right Kai bag for the right occasion. Because it fits everything that's essential to you. Simply, no more, no less.